Is your Tundra peeing itself? Well, I found why. The windshield washer fluid line got cut, so I'm just going to show you how to really quickly repair that today. Next up on G Reviews. Alright guys, so pretty much I tried to use my windshield washer fluid. This is a 2018 Tundra. And the windshield wipers were going back and forth, but there was no fluid coming out, so I was like, okay, maybe the reservoir is low. Obviously the reservoir is not low. So I was like, okay, so there's got to be some other reason. I tried it, and then I saw that the truck was basically like peeing itself over here. So I was like, okay, so it's leaking somewhere over here. If you just follow the line, right, the line is here. It kind of comes back into this, back here. So I'm gonna just take out this screw right here. Take out this screw, and then hopefully this part will come off. And I'm sure it's back here somewhere. It's cut. And I just bought this little kit off of Amazon. It's just tubing as well as some connectors. So I'm gonna do that, and then really I should just have to just put basically a connector here and then a connector on the other one. But the line doesn't look too bad otherwise, so I'll probably just put a connector. But it came with some additional hose if I need it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pop this cover off here. Okay, so let me show you what I'm doing here. So all I did was I just cut a little bit, and this is the tube that goes to the actual windshield washer nozzles. So I just stuck one of these little, it's just a straight piece from the kit. And then in here, same thing, I just basically cut a little bit of the tube off. And then I just stuck another little straight fitting, and then all I'm going to do is I just cut a small little length of hose here, and then I'm just going to stick one of the pieces down there where that nozzle is, and then I'm going to stick the other one on the end of here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we'll see if it works. Okay, so I'll just show you end product here. So again, I got the little fitting there. That's the little length of tube that I cut. Connector there, and then this just goes up to the windshield washer. So we'll go ahead and just test it real quick and see if it works. All right, so I went ahead and tested it, and there is some fluid over here. I'll show you after I'm done, but the tube did work. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put everything back the way it was, which is literally just this one little clip in this hole, and I'll shut the hood and we're good to go. All right guys, moment of truth. So I replaced the tube, replaced the hose there. So I'm gonna try the windshield washer fluid. There we go, like magic. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching G Reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.